welcome. Today, I'm going to be providing you with a brief demonstration on how we can use our gradebook settings to integrate Dropbox assignments, quizzes, and rubrics. So, let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to travel over here to Courses and select it. And from the drop-down, we want to select the course that we're going to be adding our content to. All right, and before we can add any items to our gradebook, we need to go in and we need to add our items first. So we're going to go into assignments. And from assignments, we're going to come over here to the plus sign and we are going to begin adding our assignments. So I am going to put this as our Dropbox assignment and I'm going to give it 10 points. And I'm going to hit save and publish and I can verify that it has been published here. Now, it'll automatically, when we add it from this menu, go into our gradebook. So there's a lot that we can do within here. So I'm going to go ahead and I will show you that. So we're going to go to grades. And as you can see, here's our Dropbox assignment out of 10. Let's go back here and then let's come down and we are going to create a quiz. To create a quiz, you're going to go into the quizzes menu and then you're going to select plus quiz. From here, you're going to give your quiz a name. So we're going to call this a demo quiz. We're going to type in our information and then we're going to come down here and we're going to give our quiz some information that we want it to have. So we're going to say we want it to be a graded quiz. It's going to be in the assignment group. We want to shuffle the answers. We also would like to put a time limit on it, and so we'll give it 90 minutes. Okay, we can allow multiple attempts. We can let the students correct their answers, and then we can even add dates. Now that we have this set, we're going to go ahead and hit save and publish. And then we can go ahead and preview this. All right, and so we have all of our information that we need here. Now, since we have our items created, we can go down here into modules and we can add our assignments that we want to here. So we're going to go to the plus sign here. We're going to do our Dropbox assignment and select add an item. And we'll go ahead and we'll just go through and we'll do the Dropbox assignment for each one. Again, we hit the plus sign, do our Dropbox assignment and hit add item. Now this time we're going to go ahead and we are going to add a quiz. So we're going to come up here to the add assignments and we're going to select quiz. From there we can see demo quiz. So we're going to select demo quiz and select add item. And we're going to do demo quiz again, select add item. Then finally we're going to do that again. We're going to do demo quiz and add an item. Now you can see we have all of our items added. Now before we go and check the gradebook, just to verify that all of our items have been published and we can see them in the gradebook, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a rubric to our assignment. So we're going to come to assignments and then we're going to select the assignment that we want to add a rubric to. So I'm going to do it to the Dropbox assignment. Once in here, I'm going to click on add a rubric. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select find a rubric. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to select the demo rubric. Okay, and it does show that it's been published. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to verify now that all the items have been added in to our gradebook. And there you have it. We have our Dropbox assignment, our demo quiz, and that's how you can add items to the electronic gradebook, and you can add assignments, quizzes, and even a rubric. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for joining me.